In this video, I'll show you how you can redeem a gift card in Roblox. Now what you want to do is head over to roblox.com and make sure this is the website you're doing it on and not some other website. Now if it's on another website, you can get scammed, so make sure you head over to roblox.com. In here, log into your account, click on your Roblox icon and choose Redeem Roblox Codes. Now in here, there should be a code area and you can type in the Roblox code that you have here. Now if it's a physical gift card, there will be a number on the back that you have to scratch, and from in there you can type in the code. Now if it's a digital one, you're most likely gonna get it on your email, and on the email there will be the code that you need to type in here. After you type it, check this box and then press redeem. After you've done that, you will then get your Robux or whatever your gift card was for. Now that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.